Trouble there, my people. Auntie Tiwa Savage, that is mommy jam jam. She don't come outside, they talk something. No. See as e be, somebody they try blackmail her. She and her new lover. Me, I don't even know say you get lover self. So I even surprised say this matter can come outside. And see as the matter be, the person gets she and her current lover their sex tape. That is video where two of them they do. I don't know as they do and behind her backside they give am, but the person hold am. And the person they claim say if she no give them money, the person go release this video. My people beg, make now join me watch.
Yesterday, I was leaving a radio station. I'm in my car. My road manager sends me a message. He's like, "Yo, check your phone." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." So I check it, and there's a video, and I'm just like, "Whoa!" I'm like, "Where did you get this from?" And he's like, "I just got it like 20 minutes ago." And
this is somebody on your team?
Yeah. This video was sent to him, and it's a tape of me and the person I'm dating right now. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
I know. So
and you're in the middle of like crisis right now.
So
I mean, you seem very like calm and okay, but
yeah, because I said the first thing I got off the phone and I sent it to my manager and she was like, "Oh my God," and I'm like, "What are we gonna do?" So the person's asking for money now.
Of course.
So
is it the person you were dating?
No. And he's going crazy too. So I'm like, what are we going to do? And my manager's like, well, how much are they asking for? So I woke up and I was like, no, I'm not. Because I pay it now and then 2 months down the line, you're going to come back again and then 2 years. And then who knows, even if I do send you the money, you probably would release it anyway. Like the fact that I'm not going to allow anyone to blackmail me for doing something that is natural.
Now, wow. But you sure say no be Kpokpogri send this person because now no say na the man wey be that. You will hear say him in normal work na blackmailing work. But auntie abeg, I need to ask, how person get access to this video? If no be person wey know you well, if no be person wey be say he won't set you up. Me I dey even suspect this your lover. You sure say no be him. Carry camera go put there and my mind self they tell me say maybe now you do this video. Come go keep am for your phone. They claim say they do this now the thing don't come go someone release. As a grown-up lady, I'm not sure say you supposed to do this kind of one. Carry yourself, say they do video. I beg, what you want is and get. You get picking for God's sake. At least reason your pickings, okay, my picking don't grow. All this one what they do, I don't mature. I'm not supposed to do all this kind of one. But still, you can't do them. Now you can't cry to us. But anyway, whoever this blackmailer be, me, I get shocking news for you. Auntie say she no go pay 5 naira. So if you want post the video, post them because not true. If she give you money now, I sure say in some months time, you go still come outside again, come the blackmail and say, hey, make she pay again. Now, when she reason talk and say, okay, fine and good. If you don't say you want post them, I beg, post them. Post whatever you want post. She no get anything because she no even get any money to give you. And this one not true. Make we even reason now. All the video where Tiwa Savage do, make na reason now. No be almost naked she did. I beg, so what it can be the difference? It go just be like say we dey watch another music video. So I beg, make we post them. Post am oga, are they very certain say so many Nigerians they ready to watch this video because I know so on her eyes they always chook. All this kind thing I be say on her vim they stand up for. But oga blackmailer say are they reason why do you make you even blackmail this woman? No be say she dey married. No be say you even use the video take blackmailer tell us okay I will go report to your husband. You know say this lady dey single. She never even carry anybody come outside say okay na person wey dey date be this so na situationship na her dey inside. So this all your thing where they do. Me, I never know if you want gain it because now the money you know go get. But until why I get more advice for you. If now maybe you I go use in fact I will continue to play along with this blackmailer. So now last I go arrest him because this person deserve arrest. Now so you go they do for other celebrities are they very sure. So now so they go there they do their monitoring spirit up and down, they video people up and down. But at least this one if you use an arrest them, next time you know go come aside. And those of now safe. When be say I go just carry enough for any smart you don the video breast, video nyash. I hope say this one will teach na lesson. No be all this kind thing they always post. Make na no they even try am. No even try say you won't go down because last specific go get access coins and they blackmail you. I don't talk my own. I no one come here later. Person will come they beg me say auntie I beg do video. They don't carry my picture. That one na your personal problem. We no go put smart by that time. Anyways, my viewers now here I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. One actress, one of our Nigerian actress, don't come outside. They talk say one sound engineer try to molest her. I don't know bear now the whole problem with inside Nigeria. Now celebrity side they go. This person will talk this one, her name na Adunia de on. I know this Yoruba actress now. And she dey claim say based on say she dey go settle, she won't go act a normal film. Say na there this sound engineer on. I know say if they won't put wire and I see this wire hey something like that. Say as the guy won't put her for him back, na there this guy start to dey caress her, dey romance her for back. Say before we go see the guy don't even try chook him hand inside him pint to my people beg. Make una follow me see.
I don't even let male soundmen mic me anymore because I was once molested. Will molested be the right word? I was gonna report to the authorities. I was begged. This person was still very adamant on, standing his ground that he didn't do anything. You want to put a lapel, the black box thing, clip it to my back, and you shove your whole arm all the way down here inside my back. And I felt very weirded out, and I was trying not to create a scene, but he was trying to create a scene.
Now, all these our celebrities, it be like on our problems, even plenty. But I bet you person go come talk say now person no even dey safe again. Say you won't go act film, go ordinary wire, they don't start to romance you again on top of that one. But until they claim say when this thing happen, she be won't come outside, come talk about, they begin beg her. Say make she no come outside, call out this person because you go there wrong, all of them are one person. But until me, I don't reason this, you suppose come outside, come talk this one. If you want correct something, correct and fine and good. Don't be say you go they cover the person for back. Later you won't come outside, they do video talk saying somebody try romance you, somebody try do something to you. At least talk and make we know so now what did this person they do, because as you know talk now, this person go still do one for another person. And I dey very certain say this kind sound engineer now all those type where be say go they sleep with girls. They tell them say before you go act film, go open your leg. I dey very certain say now all those kind of person. And later now if we come here say this Adunia person they get beef, now no go know say now all these kind things. All these kind of side things where be say all these people know they tackle and they cause all this kind of wahala. But until me I don't get advice, so call out this guy. If na punishment they will give am from the guy, make they punish am, make him know say wetin he do dey wrong. Because all this kind of thing they see and say na small thing, all these people they know wetin they do. He know wetin they do, now so in they do and since he just be say person over confront and say oga na like this you dey do. So until I beg me I go like make you call out this person. We won't know the person, call out his name, make we know who really they commit this kind of offense. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end up for this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story. This story wey I carry come now about Alexx Ekubo and his ex-fiancée Fancy. If not be say wahala happen between these two people now, una know say by now we suppose don dey prepare with our ashwebi. They go prepare on the rice so we won't go chop. Now una know say this whole breakup, all of us begin here say na because Alexx na gay, abi something happen. Now me I come dey confirm the real gist wey make these two people separate. Now I hear say now one lady na dey cause this whole confusion between these two people. Say this lady just they decide say by force by fire she must separate these two couple. I make a come tell una wetin this lady do wey be say spoil this whole thing. They say this lady send nude videos of her inside Alexx house to Fancy. Now there Fancy come see and say no be my guy house be this. Wey be say this lady dey. And in fact wetin come spoil everything una see that Obi Kubana wedding. Say when the burial wey him do. And here say this lady sef still even come dey for this location. And since this lady don't threaten Fancy girlfriend Fancy, they tell her say okay, leave this boy alone. This guy is for me. Alexx is for me. But until they look and say okay, maybe not just all these normal celebrity things and all that, she no even reason am. And she even still go ask Alexx say bro, so this girl they threaten me. They tell me say okay, you dey date. The guy say lie. He no even know this girl from Adam and Eve. They no even know themselves. Only for this Obi Kubana wedding, this girl can't do video, send video. To auntie talk say she see the guy where they call carry say na your husband, are they with him? In fact, we just do the do. In fact, we just settle scores for bed. Now the auntie come and say, so now wetin my own fiancé they do for me be this, and I don't ask you tire, you no agree. You no even accept and say you know this girl. Now this girl they claim say on her two they do things. Now wetin destroy this whole relationship. And I know say this lady, this Fancy of a girl, no be Nigeria she did. She know they give second chance. Now Nigeria girls to go break on her heart 10 times and I will still inside that relationship. She no now no. So as this one happen, she talk say she know they do again. She won't carry her 12 roots, fine and go. But until I suppose give you second thought for this one. At least you forgive Alexx second chance. Because you know say this lady now they force it by force by fire, she won't destroy this relationship. No be say na Alex na willingly, though maybe he's willingly go open leg, go chook in thing for girl. But you suppose not say na the girl force him to do this kind of thing. And maybe Kyme matter self they involved for reason like that. But maybe because you know be Nigerian, you know get all this kind of mentality, all this kind of reason. But Alex, if you self your own do. Every girl you dey find your leg, they go at least if I will not even come through to your girlfriend, tell and say, okay, auntie, oh, me and this girl we don't date, which we don't get. You said they hide them. I don't know what you they hide. Relationship where we say you don't die, you still they hide them. At least if you don't tell us, okay, we date before, we do things before, at least your fiance go know say now like this they go. And because of this one now, relationship don't end. Guys, I should be money, everything when I don't prepare for everything just go to waste like that. But until 14 can twice, I say they talk and think can twice, time never still go. Now November now be the wedding and November never reach. So if you still reason us, okay, at least forgive this guy. Make we know say the guy don't do wrong, but it be like say now you don't even want to hear anything. Because for you to go come out and now come they tell people about what really happened, it be like say you don't move on. You don't even give up on Alex already. But anyway, this one I won't break up. Anyhow, when I won't do it, now go no. Because maybe you talking about it now go make you free yourself. You dey fine. In fact, if you even tell us the whole gist, we dey very ready to listen to you. Any details when you get stuck on, we go help you share the story. Anyways, my viewers, now here I will take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.